In EV&G, users have the option to utilize various emulation technologies, including IOL, iOS on Linux, Qemu, Quick Emulator, and Dynamips. Each technology has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of which to use depends on factors such as device compatibility, performance requirements, and personal preference. Let's explore the key differences and common usage scenarios for each. 1. IOL, iOS on Linux. IOL is Cisco's iOS, Internetwork Operating System, running on a Linux platform. It provides excellent compatibility with modern Cisco iOS features and protocols. IOL tends to offer better performance compared to Dynamips, especially for newer Cisco devices and features. It's commonly used for emulating Cisco switches and routers in EV&G, especially when users require support for advanced features or want to simulate newer hardware models. Qemu, Quick Emulator. Qemu is a versatile and open-source machine emulator and virtualizer. It supports emulation of various architectures and operating systems. Qemu is commonly used in EV&G for emulating non-Cisco devices, such as Linux-based appliances, virtual machines, and even some older Cisco router models. It provides flexibility in running different types of virtualized environments within EV&G. Dynamips. Dynamips is a Cisco router emulator specifically designed for emulating Cisco router hardware. It emulates various Cisco router platforms, including older models like the 1700, 2600, 3600, and 7200 series. Dynamips is known for its reliability and accuracy in emulating Cisco routers, making it a popular choice for users who require emulation of specific Cisco hardware platforms or older iOS versions. It may be preferred in scenarios where compatibility with specific iOS versions or router models is crucial. In terms of usage, the choice between IOL, Qemu, and Dynamips depends on the specific requirements of the network topology being simulated within EV&G. While IOL is often favored for its compatibility with modern Cisco iOS features and performance advantages, Qemu and Dynamips remain valuable options for emulating non-Cisco devices and specific Cisco router models, respectively. Ultimately, the most suitable emulation technology varies based on the user's needs and the nature of the network simulation being conducted.